Vous avez tous entendu parler de contrefaçon, des médicaments et des autres produits de santé. En France, nous avons la chance d'avoir un des meilleurs circuits de distribution pharmaceutique au monde et le problème ne se pose pas en ce qui concerne les médicaments eux-mêmes. En ce qui concerne les compléments nutritionnels, ils peuvent échapper au circuit pharmaceutique traditionnel, par exemple à travers l'Internet, les grandes surfaces et autres sources d'approvisionnement, ce qui risque de poser des problèmes de qualité et de contrefaçon. Alors je vous invite à travers ce film à découvrir tout le processus de fabrication de Nutrof Total selon les normes de qualité que Thea s'est fixées.
Nutrof Total is the fruit of Laboratoire Thea research and development labour. It was developed and perfected by nutritionists and ophthalmologists. Nutrof Total is manufactured using specific know-how, with adapted equipment and industrial tools. You are about to discover the various processing steps for manufacturing Nutrof Total. Nutrof Total is manufactured according to strict hygiene regulation in adapted facilities. During Nutrof Total production, all is implemented to minimize the potential risk of accidental contamination of the products.
1, 2, 3.
For production operators, there are strict clothing regulations and safety apparel, coats, pants, safety footwear, shoe covers, and hairnets. The facilities are designed to ensure that all operations go smoothly, thus avoiding any accidental contamination by outside or nearby operations. The various components do not cross paths. The production area is well ventilated, temperature and hydrometry are kept constant. The production area is overpressured in comparison to the cubicles not dedicated to processing steps. The first step begins with receiving the raw materials. Laboratoire Thea choose the components and raw materials that make up Nutrof Total carefully in order to give consumers a quality final product in terms of makeup, purity and safety. Raw materials are identified and labeled to ensure traceability. Raw materials are inspected upon reception and must be in keeping with Nutrof Total requirements. The quality of the ingredients is guaranteed by certifications and supplier records. Each component of Nutrof Total is selected according to purity and safety. These criteria pertain to microbiology, the absence of contamination by heavy metals, pesticides residue, mycotoxins, dioxins, the absence of ionized products, and genetically modified organisms. Nutrof Total components come from reputed manufacturers. For example, our lutein is Flora Glow, and our Polaris Omega-3 have EPAX and Quality Silver labels. The raw materials are then weighed. Weighing the various Nutrof Total components is done under a laminar flow hood to minimize any risk of airborne contamination. All the weighing is computer-assisted to guarantee reliability and ensure traceability throughout the manufacturing process. The raw materials are mixed during the processing stage. The capsules are made up of two parts, a shell and its contents. These two elements are processed separately. The shell is mainly made up of bovine gelatin. This gelatin is certified BSE-free. All the content materials are mixed according to strict manufacturing protocols, which are carefully followed by production operators. As soon as the gelatin and components mixture are ready, we move on to the encapsulation stage. Encapsulation is a critical step in manufacturing Nutrof Total. All operations are computer-driven. The liquid gelatin solution is transformed into two soft gelatin bands. Their thickness is monitored at all times to ensure homogeneity and quality manufacturing. The components mixture is injected between the two gelatin bands. The force of injection molds the gelatin into its final shape. Once the capsules are sealed, they fall onto the conveyor belt and are transported to the tumble dryer. Various types of monitoring are in place to ensure quality of the product and homogeneous batches. Production sampling is used for physicochemical and bacteriological analyses necessary for the release and marketing of the batch. The capsules are then oven-dried. After the initial tumble drying, the capsules are spread out on trays and placed in the drying chamber. The flow of hot air circulates between the trays and dehydrates the capsule shells by convection. The capsule has then attained its final aspect and consistency. Next, the capsules are sorted out visually, then mechanically. Each tray is analyzed by a production operator. The goal is to detect capsules which may not comply with specifications such as water tightness. The capsules are then transferred to a machine which checks their size. Capsules that are not the right size are automatically filtered out of production. During sorting, capsules are also randomly sampled to monitor the thickness of the welding. Welding thickness must not go below a certain threshold to ensure capsule stability in the long run. The capsules are then packaged. Nutrof Total capsules are then processed on the packaging chain and blister packed. Blister packs protect the capsules from humidity and oxygen. Blister packs and instructions are then put in boxes. Nutrof Total boxes are quarantined while awaiting results of physicochemical and microbiological analyses and inspections. When the batch is found spec compliant, the boxes are launched on the market. You have now seen for yourself how Nutrof Total is manufactured with the greatest care. Nutrof Total, quality product and quality services.